Hello everyone, this is Leo from GasGen. In this video, I will introduce GasGen Power Cummins Natural Gas Generator Set, GasGen CGLO350PFOA model. The Cummins Natural Gas Generator Set CGLO350PFOA is a high-performance power generation device which provides various industries with reliable electricity support. It is widely used in oil and gas fields, farms, waste treatment plants, as well as industrial and commercial power generation. GasGen is a professional one-stop provider of natural gas generator set and biogas generator set solutions, offering natural gas, biogas, liquefied petroleum gas, and biomass gas generator sets. GasGen is committed to providing high-quality products and services that meet the diverse needs of our global customers. The generator set is powered by a K19 NG3 model engine, featuring a water-cooled 4-stroke inline 6-cylinder configuration. It has a displacement of 19 liters with a boron stroke of 159 mm by 159 mm and a compression ratio of 11:1. The engine delivers a rated power output of 388 kilowatts at 1500 RPM. Fuel efficiency is ensured with a natural gas consumption rate of no more than 100 cubic meters per hour. The unit is equipped with a 24-volt DC electric starting system for reliable ignition performance. The alternator is manufactured by Ferrand, model FLD350, and operates as a 3-phase unit at 50 Hz. It delivers a rated power output of 350 kilowatts, 437.5 kilowatt ampere at a rated voltage of 400 volts. The system features brushless self-excitation, ensuring reliable performance with a voltage regulation accuracy of no more than positive or negative 1%. The insulation is classified as Class H, supporting high thermal endurance under demanding operating conditions. GasGen CGLO350PFOA delivers a rated power of 350 kilowatts with a rated current of 630 ampere at 230 or 400 volts, 50 Hz, 3-phase. It features a water-cooled system and runs on natural gas, ensuring efficient and stable performance. The unit measures 5,800 mm by 2,200 mm by 2,480 mm, weighs 7,500 kg, and operates at a noise level of 95 decibel at 1 meter. The system uses the SmartGen HGM6110 in controller with protections against over, under voltage frequency, and overcurrents, ensuring safe and stable operation. Fueled by natural gas, the set emits fewer pollutants than diesel alternatives, meeting strict environmental standards and reducing environmental impact. Operating at 50 Hz, the brushless alternator provides steady voltage output and strong interference resistance, ideal for sensitive equipment. A modular engine design allows quick part replacement. The compact and accessible layout reduces maintenance time and cost. Based on our rich experience and resources, GasGen is able to provide customizable services to meet different customer demand. You are welcome to contact our professional service team to explore our premium solutions. Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact GasGen at any time. For more details about our company, products and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.gasgen.com.